My name is architect Manisha Kulkarni and my company name is Creative Dimensions. I have done my architecture from D.Y. Patil College of Architecture, New Bombay, and that's of course a degree course. And I have also done, people may not be aware, but I have also done post graduation in environmental architecture. I would like to think that I am quite creative. Incidentally, yesterday I met one of my close friend and a MEP consultant. He said that I have seen only 3 architects who can actually draw and sketch. One of them is Frank Gehry, other is Zaha Hadid, and the third architect he knows is Manisha Kulkarni. Then it is a very big compliment for me. We are specialized in designing theme parks, water parks. I was the co-designer for designing AdLabs Imagica theme park and water park. So we specialize in doing all those entertainment centers, including the family entertainment centers, and we also do resorts. I've got an experience of 30 plus years. It's a versatile experience of both architectural projects and entertainment projects. I have been working as a co-designer for designing AdLabs Imagica theme park and the water park, and that's where we were basically involved in doing everything from the day one of conceptual designing to execution to project management and to even testing, commissioning and operations. So we have got a versatile experience of doing everything together, and further ahead the line I have also done 2 more water parks, and currently I'm doing 3 water parks and 1 more amusement park ongoing in process. The ideal connects for me in my profession would be the second home developer, anybody who wants to open up a water park, resort owners, and also the real estate agents who deal in land. BNI is a wonderful platform, let me tell you that, because when I opened up my journey to be in the business, BNI has helped me to do a lot of networking, connected me with various people in the industry, not just the client but potential vendors and consultants and contractors. So I am using this platform to share business, to work with people, to collaborate with people. It's a wonderful platform. The specific message which I would like to give to the upcoming architect is work very sincerely and try to work something out of the box design. And Arjuna has been my family since a very long time, since the day it has been launched, and I can see a lot of potential in between BNI and Arjuna to generate business for each other. With reference to BNI, I would like to share one success story that we did cross chapter training seminar which was being guided by Adi Pocha, and there I met somebody who was into event. Very surprisingly, I met that person who used to happen to stay in my same, who happened to have an office in my own society, and I have got 2 projects from him.